Affiliate marketing, staying away from scams.
Many of us are upset and frustrated with our current jobs. The low pay and sense of being undervalued drive many of us to dream of our own businesses. However, the costs combined with the risk factors stops most of us in our tracks. Affiliate marketing is a way for people to work for themselves with no risk. There is no cost to you and you're paid on performance. However, today one has to be careful. There are plenty of scammers and con artists out there that are more than happy to take your money and hard work off of you. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing is not immune to these scammers. Daily, people are taken in by promises of big money with relatively little effort. In this article we will teach you some of the signs to look for and tell you how to spot a scam. When you join an affiliate marketing scheme, you're either going to sell a product or a service. With products, you usually have a choice and range to sell. How you decide to do this is largely up to you. You could also sell a service. Web page designs as well as increasing sales and internet traffic are all examples of services offered by affiliate marketing programs. How many times have you seen an ad on the internet promising huge earnings? Things like earn $1,000 a day, or join our program now and become a millionaire. If you look closely at these ads, they are not actually selling anything. Any company that is just selling the opportunity to make money is likely a scam. True, some affiliate marketing companies will have attention-grabbing headlines like the ones mentioned above. However, if you go on to read the ad and information, there will likely be a detailed description of what the company sells. They will also have a disclaimer and terms and conditions listed. These companies that offer the opportunity to make money are likely pyramid schemes. The only people paying money in are the ones actually joining. There is no income being created, just money being passed from person to person. Not only are these scams and you'll lose what you invested, they are also illegal and you can face prosecution. Another thing to watch out for is no free participation. If you have to pay to join, then you may have stumbled upon a scam or what is known as a multilevel marketing program. Multilevel marketing programs are completely legal and some people make good livings out of them. However, if you're not successful, you may end up purchasing a bunch of products that you cannot sell. True affiliate programs are free. That is part of their attraction. There are no costs to you and they should also be risk-free. Any affiliate marketing programs that demands your money is not an affiliate program. You should ask yourself why they are misrepresenting themselves this way if they are legitimate. Many of us dream of being our own bosses. We would love to be able to take control of our lives and careers. The attraction of answering only to you combined with setting your own working hours and committing what you choose bring loads of people into the affiliate marketing schemes. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent way for a highly motivated, creative person to make an excellent living. There are some wonderful programs out there just waiting to be joined. However, for every great program there is likely one that is fraudulent. Con artists operate in many areas and unfortunate affiliate marketing is not immune. Before joining, check to see what the company is selling. If they are not selling goods or services, then they are likely an illegal pyramid scheme. If they require your own money to get started, then they are what are known as a multi-level marketing program. Affiliate marketing can be a great opportunity, but you need to do your homework. Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.